Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of stickers. Today's kit is the greenery kit. This is what the greenery kit looks like. This is a plant-based kit, so I just figured everyone should have a little bit of green in their life. This is the essential 4-page kit, and it does have a little bit of detailing with the plants on like the checklists and the full boxes and things like that. So that is the greenery kit. But let me show you the mini kit. So this one is the mini kit with the silver foil, so you can kind of see the detail on that. And if I zoom in a little, you guys can see a little bit more of that detailing on here. But yeah, this is the mini kit here. Again, it's available in a deluxe kit as well. And a la carte sheets. I feel like I've forgotten to mention that these are also available a la carte. That means that you can also just buy, you know, all full boxes, all of the, you know, like checklist boxes if you actually just need those. Just letting you guys know that, but this one is the greenery kit. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.